Life does not begin with noise. It begins quietly, with light touching something small, something still, something patient. A plant stands in silence, receiving sunlight, something invisible, untouchable, and yet powerful enough to shape everything that lives. Light becomes energy. Energy becomes growth. Growth becomes movement. And movement becomes life. You cannot see this exchange happening, but it is always happening. In every leaf, in every stem, in every breath of wind that brushes past green skin. The energy flows outward, into insects that rest on fragile petals, into animals that feed on leaves and seeds, into the soil that remembers every fallen thing, into rivers that carry the memory of mountains. Nothing keeps it for itself. Everything passes it forward. Even when a plant withers, it does not disappear. Its body returns to the earth, breaking down slowly, becoming nourishment for roots it will never meet, feeding a future it will never see. Death does not end the story. It simply changes its form. Plants do not hurry. They never rush toward tomorrow. They grow quietly, patiently, stretching toward light without desperation, without fear, without resistance. And yet, their presence shapes the world more than any moving creature ever could. They soften stone. They hold soil together. They cool the air. They create the oxygen that fills your lungs right now. They are the first link in an invisible chain, passing energy from one life to another, endlessly, without needing recognition. Every fallen leaf carries a memory. Every broken branch holds a history. Every seed resting in darkness carries countless futures inside it. Life rises from death. Death gives life its meaning. Cycles within cycles. Beginnings hiding inside endings. Endings quietly preparing new beginnings. If you watch closely, you will notice that nothing is ever truly wasted. Even decay becomes creation. Even loss becomes nourishment. Humans like to think we are separate from this rhythm, as if we stand outside the natural flow of things, as if we are observers instead of participants. But we are not separate. Every atom in your body was once part of something else. A leaf reaching toward sunlight, a root drinking from rainwater, a flower opening to the morning air, an animal running beneath open skies, maybe even a star burning long before this world existed. You are not made of new material. You are made of ancient memory. The calcium in your bones, the iron in your blood, the water in your cells, all of it has lived other lives before becoming you. And one day, it will leave you. Not as loss, not as punishment, but as continuation. Your body will return to the earth, to the air, to the endless exchange of matter and energy. The same force that moves through plants moves through you. When you breathe in, you are inhaling the gift of leaves. When your heart beats, it carries sunlight stored in food. When your body grows, heals, and changes, it follows the same rules that guide roots and branches. You are not apart from the cycle. You are it. And if you step back even further, beyond forests, beyond oceans, beyond this fragile planet drifting through darkness, every atom in every plant, every creature, every drop of water has existed since the beginning of the universe. Rearranged, recycled, reborn. Stars collapsed to form elements. Elements formed worlds. Worlds formed life. Life learned how to look back at itself, through your eyes. The universe is not distant. It is inside you. Life and death are not enemies. They are partners in an endless dance, one creating space for the other to continue. Growth, decay, silence, movement, stillness, change, all flowing together, without judgment, without urgency. Everything is connected, not symbolically, not poetically, literally. The air you breathe has touched forests you have never seen. The water in your body once traveled through clouds and rivers and ancient seas. The warmth in your blood comes from a star that burned long before memory existed. You are walking history. You are breathing eternity. So when you look at a plant, do not see something small. Do not see something simple. See patience. See resilience. See quiet intelligence. See the pulse of life moving slowly and steadily through existence. See yourself. And remember, every breath you take, every heartbeat you feel, every moment you are alive, is part of an endless, miraculous cycle. A cycle that does not rush. A cycle that does not fear endings. A cycle that quietly continues, long after we stop watching.